ini mau tanya nih Kak.
Boleh.
Mau tanya-tanya aja dulu.
Oh boleh nanya, gak
Iya.
bayar kalau sama saya. Tapi masuk konten.
Baik. Oh gitu.
Siap,
Baik,
gimana?
tidak apa-apa. Gini, saya kan dulu pernah ke Hong Kong di tahun 2009 sampai 2012 kan pulang ke
Siap.
Indonesia cuti kan. Nah, setelah cuti di Hong Kong udah kontrak, udah tekan kontrak lagi nih. Nah, cuman terus saya pulang dulu. Setelah di Indo 2 minggu, saya datang lagi tuh ke satu majikan kan.
Siap.
Nah, setelah di sana, setelah 1 bulan itu badan kayak meriang, kayak kepala sakit gitu. Saya berpikir wah positif hamil nih saya gitu. Namanya juga sama suami kan.
Oh
gitu.
ya, utuk-utuk ya, utuk-utuk sama saya. Oke, lanjut.
Seperti itu. Dan setelah itu sama majikan ya saya terus terang saya sakit gini terus majikan bawa saya ke dokter tes pack dong. Nah setelah itu juga ketahuan saya hamil. Nah setelah itu majikan juga baik sih. Gimana solusinya? Kalau sih saya sih mau aja ke kamu. Itu ada pembahasan pribadi sih dari majikan.
Siap.
Tapi saya nggak milih uang, saya lebih memilih dilanjutin sama suaminya dalam arti kirim uang untuk saya beli tiket pulang dan untuk membayar beberapa kontrak yang dibilang apa ya ada kerugian lah seperti itu kan. Nah saya dikirim tuh uang dari Indo. Akhirnya saya pulang sampai sekarang saya nggak pernah kemana-mana lagi. Kalau menurut Koko ini kalau untuk proses lagi gimana prosedurnya?
Ya nggak ada masalah ya, tinggal kirim biodata kayak CJK. Ya terus proses cari majikan.
Iya tapi untuk masalahnya paspor saya dulu udah disobek-sobek sama suami. Emang dia maunya saya tidak boleh untuk pergi lagi ke manapun seperti itu. Jadi kira-kiranya prosesnya bagaimana kok?
Ya anggap aja ya, Samen kan tetap punya pengalaman di Hong Kong.
Iya.
Berapa tahun?
Di Hong Kong 3 tahun. Kalau di Singapura itu 6 tahun.
Kong Tungwa oke ya?
Siu
Kong Tungwa.
But I
English?
always is speaking English.
Speaking in English is okay.
Okay lah, because the first I going to the Hong Kong is not ask me to speaking Cantonese. Ask me to speaking English because I have a 2 children over there.
So if you can speak in English, I think you can collect your document and your scan and you send with me in WhatsApp. About the family card, about the identity card, about Hong Kong ID card, and then about certificate of education, and then maybe certificate of marriage. You can scan and send to me by WhatsApp, and then after that I send your document and data to agency in Hong Kong, employment agency in Hong Kong. After that, if employee interesting with you, so they are arranged to call and interview with you.
Okay, I'm sorry, Koko, but all is my biodata is I don't have anymore.
Wow.
Because that's why I want to ask first if he can or not. That's why my husband is really that time is not give me chance to go again. Like that.
Okay. But the problem with your husband already finished or still with your husband?
My husband is already rich, but I have a new husband.
Married
is number 2.
Divorced with the old husband, and then you married again, the new one.
Yes,
wow, congratulations, nice.
But my ideally is the Jakarta. It's not the Cilacap. It's really from Cilacap, right? Now it's stay the Jakarta here. So that,
First time you must doing. You complete your document. Okay. If you can complete all of the document, you can start to the process.
Okay. What is need for the document?
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
what is that?
I tell you before.
Yeah.
First you must have an identity card, Indonesian identity card. Okay. Hong Kong identity card is okay. Must be. If you still have, keep. You can scan, and then after that, certificate of birth. You know. After that, certificate of birth is already, and then identity card and family card.
Family card, okay, understand.
Divorce certificate. Oh no. Because marriage registered the new one with your new husband. All of them, all that you can scan. Okay. And then you send to me. Okay.
Okay.
Don't ask me to repeat twice. Okay. I already tell to you. Okay.
Hey. Yep.
You understand in Hong Kong style? Very loudly.
I understand. I really understand.
Okay,
That's why I need to go there again.
Other than that, the important thing, you must take the picture from the head until the knee, all of the body. Let's see. Okay.
Okay.
After that, you make introduce video.
Okay.
Tell about interview. Tell about interview and how many years you have been in Hong Kong and why and why you go back to Indonesia. Because if you tell about the truth, I say the employee can respect on you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Be honest, okay? Don't ask me to repeat twice, okay? I already tell you twice. Don't the third time. You understand what I mean?
Okay. Yes, I'm understand.
Okay. Yes. So anything else want you to ask to me?
Maybe it's me and I have some forget. I just asking Coco. Okay. Now it's okay.
Oh, now it's okay.
I understand.
Okay.
I understand. Okay.
Nah, I not a follow on you. Just if you wanna go, really want to go, you ask me, you tell me, you send your data.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not fine to you, okay? Because I'm not sponsor. You understand?
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Okay, Coco. Thank
Enough?
you. Thank you very much for the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you are welcome. See you.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. You are welcome.
Yeah. Oke teman-teman semuanya, wes ex Hong Kong hamil pulang 3 tahun dan luar biasa. Pakai bahasa Inggris ya. Gak apa-apa. Sekali-sekali saya juga belajar karena udah lama kalau nggak ngomong bahasa Inggris agak belepotan, agak nggak jelas. Jadi mudah-mudahan di konten ini saya juga, Mbak pintunya sampai tutup Mbak, nanti sampai telanjang kelihatan. Nah, ini masuk ke konten soalnya Mbak. Oke teman-teman, ini ada 2 orang yang lagi belajar dengan istri saya ya. Mudah-mudahan mereka cepat berangkat ya. Dan kalian-kalian semuanya yang ingin berangkat atau yang sudah berangkat, tolong hargai ya. Bukan hargai ya, tolong proses itu disyukuri. Karena sudah banyak orang-orang yang ingin berangkat dan menunggu di PT. Masih banyak yang sudah berangkat, tolong jangan disia-siakan. Oke, keep stay tune my YouTube channel and see you next video. Bye bye.